Hey, April 22nd, 2017, we're here at Record Archive, Record Store Day. Literally hundreds of cars out here, food trucks, getting ready to go in to check it out. Lots of people out here. You can sort of see the cars all up and down the road here. Look at the cars. Packed everywhere. All right, let's go inside and check it out. All right, let's go inside, check it out. Here's the entrance when you come in. To the people just waiting to check out.
That's like $500, man. I love that Butterfield Blues album.
Let's go over to the lounge.
Oh, this is something right up there. Jimmy. Jimmy, hit my mic. All right. I did. I found how to mute it, too. There is a way to mute it. Oh, there is? Yeah. Show me.
Let's hear it for Tressa Wilcox. Presenting the sweet voice, didn't I tell you? Told you. Declan's pretty cool, too. Right? The guitar dude. Tommy Burnett Band's coming up in just a little bit. Then we have another beautiful voice in town, Tegan. Tegan and the Tweeds are going to be here. We have the Fox Sisters. I want to remind everybody, make sure you're hashtagging when you're sharing with everybody on social media, whatever social media you do. Hashtag Record Archive, hashtag RSD 2017, that's Record Store Day. Or visit ROC. That way you'll save $5 at the register on all the great deals. Make sure you check out the custom-made 10th anniversary Record Store Day Record Archive t-shirts. Paul, he's over there at the bottom of the ramp making them for you. You pick out the color, you choose the ink colors and stuff like that, the sizes, and he'll make it $7 for a commemorative t-shirt custom-made for you by Paul. And remember, all the food outside and all the beer and wine in here. We're in the back room if you haven't checked it out. The bar is open. And we want to hear for Tressa one more time. Let's hear for Tressa Wilcox. 10th anniversary of Record Store Day. Record Archive does it better than anybody. And make sure you hashtag, save yourself some money. Tommy Burnett Band's coming up next. Stick around.
Here's some more video inside the Record Store Day.
Welcome to the best record store day in town. Record Archive, the 10th anniversary of Record Store Day. Dino from Fickle 93.3. Want to thank Tressa Wilcox. She was just on stage in the Backroom Lounge. Tommy Burnett Band coming up in about 20 minutes. After that, Tegan and the Tweeds, and we still have the Fox Sisters coming later on tonight.
Did you know that coming in?
Share on social media, whatever social media you do. Share there and put a hashtag on Record Archive. Hashtag RSD 2017 or hashtag visit ROC and save yourself $5 at the register. Just show who's ever at the register that you hashtag that you're here and you'll save yourself $5. Talk to Paul at the bottom of the ramp. He's making custom 10th anniversary Record Store Day shirts for you. They're only $7. You can pick your color, your ink color, all that good stuff, your size, and just talk to Paul and he'll make sure that happens for you. It's only $7 to remember the best record store day ever, the 10th anniversary right here at the Record Archive. Stick around, more live music. There's plenty of food out front. The food trucks are out there, La Petite Poutine, Wraps and Wheels, and Mr. B's. Abbott's is out there. And of course, we have beer and wine in the lounge. The bar is open. More live music coming your way. Welcome to Record Store Day, the 10th anniversary at Record Archive. Nobody does it better.